This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. Corn prices were pressured yesterday by the thought of a big South American crop and a round of profit-taking on the heels of the recent move higher. Prices drew additional pressure from sharp declines on Wall Street. The weekly export sales number came in at 30.3 million bushels, which was at the low end of expectations and certainly did nothing to aid the bulls' cause. As I record this, the overnight spot corn futures are trading a half-cent lower. Soybean prices lost ground yesterday on the lack of Chinese buying and harvest pressure coming out of Brazil. Brazilian farmers have been active sellers as their currency has weakened. It's estimated that they've sold nearly 60% of their huge crop. Here in the U.S., our weekly export sales came in at a very disappointing 12.7 million bushels. In the overnight trade, spot soybean futures are trading a penny and a quarter higher. Wheat prices continue to struggle as a result of plentiful global supplies. There have been a decent amount of demand for wheat recently, but competition is fierce in the world market, and here in the U.S. we've really struggled to gain our market share. That was on display in yesterday's weekly export sales report, as only 19.9 million bushels were reported sold for the week. In the overnight trade, Chicago was 2 cents lower, Kansas City is down 3, and Minneapolis is trading a penny lower. The cotton market posted slight gains, with May futures closing up 37 cents as they settled at 63.35. In the overnight trade, that gain is being reversed. We had spot futures trading 38 points lower as I record this. The livestock futures had a mixed session. April live cattle futures finished down $2.62.5, while April feeder cattle futures were $1.90 lower. Lean hog futures, on the other hand, enjoyed a stronger session, with the April futures finishing the day $1.07.5 higher. After a couple of softer closes, Class 3 milk futures posted a positive close yesterday, with the April futures closing up 5 points to settle at 16.06. In the overnight trade, spot futures are trading unchanged. The cash livestock markets were split. At the close, we had choice beef boxes 43 cents higher to close at 207.25, while selects were 45 cents lower, settling at 201.06. Pork carcass values were up $1.30 as they closed at $67.04 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.